In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating check layout for check printing. To begin, go to Menu, Management and choose Check Layout List. A pop-up dialog will appear, listing all the available check layouts. Click the green Add button to open the check layout window. First, provide a name for the layout. This helps you easily identify and select the layout in Checkbook. Next, you'll find the Bearer Check checkbox. This option is to indicate whether the check layout is for a bearer check or not. If it's not a bearer check, the bearer field will be hidden. Specify the width and height for your check layout. In the example, the width of the check is 203 mm. And the height is 90 mm. You can also choose the date format and separator to fit your check. Now, let's move on to field setup. For each field, such as account pay only, date, pay, bearer, text line 1, text line 2, and amount, you'll need to define 4 measurements: bottom, left, height, and width. These determine the size and position of each field. Using the payee field as an example, the white highlighted area indicates where the payee name will be printed. We need to take 4 measurements for the field: left, bottom, height, and width. The left is the distance from the left edge of the check to the left edge of the field. The bottom is the distance from the top edge of the check to the bottom edge of the field. The height represents the vertical space available for the field, while the width represents the horizontal space available. We input the 4 measurements for the payee field: bottom, left, height, and width. We need to set the measurements for every fields on the check. Let's quickly input measurements for the remaining fields. If a field is not applicable, simply set its measurements to 0. This ensures that it doesn't appear on your check. To align with your specific check requirements, you can rename components such as non-negotiable, payable on date only, first payee only, and not transferable. Make use of the self-defined field to further personalize your check layout. This allows you to add additional fields as per your needs. Once you're satisfied with your check layout, click the Save button at the bottom. This will save your changes and make the layout available for using in Checkbook. By following these simple steps, you can easily create check layout in ChequeSystem software.